So I'm going to show you how to pair and connect your JBL Tour Pro 3s to your smart TV via Bluetooth. Now this is very simple, but the first thing you want to do is turn off Bluetooth on your phone or on the phone that was used to set up these earbuds, because once you have that Bluetooth connection, it's kind of impossible to put this in Bluetooth pairing mode. Now once you do that, then you can go to the case, open up the case of the earbuds, and then you want to press and hold this button at the bottom of the case until the lights on the earbud starts blinking rapidly. So just press and hold that button, and you're looking at those blue lights on the earbuds and waiting for them to blink rapidly. Let me try again. There you go. So you can see they're blinking rapidly. That means they're in Bluetooth pairing mode. So now you want to go quickly to the Bluetooth settings of your smart TV, and it could be different depending on what smart TV you have. For me, I'll just go to connections and then Bluetooth devices. And in the Bluetooth settings of your TV, you should see your JBL Tour Pro 3s. So select them and then confirm you want to pair and connect. And the earbuds should get paired and connected. There you go. So you can see it says connected, and now we are good to go. So all the sound, you can now take them out and put them in your ears. Thanks for watching and good luck.